Unable to change file permissions on Ubuntu Bash for Windows 10. I was trying to use an SSH instance and I received the following error, which is odd since I tried to change the permission using chmod, but that didn't seem to work as permissions were still 777. I opened git bash and was able to SSH into my instance with no problem, and permissions were not 777 as well.
If you're referencing files in the Windows file system, they do not, by default, retain Linux permissions. However, there's a way to enable that. Edit or create using sudo /etc/wsl.conference and add the following. Shut down all WSL instances and restart an instance, and any chmod changes are now retained.
The correct way to handle this. Create /etc/wsl.conference with the following. To understand the meaning of each parameter above, please refer to this article on MSDN. Close all WSL terminals and open a new one. Restart your machine, as indicated by some comments. Now you are all set. Changing permissions of a file in Windows from /mnt/c/ will be reflected and mounted correctly within WSL on startup via the metadata option.
Is the private key on your Windows file system under /mnt/? You can't modify the permissions of files on Windows's file system using chmod on Bash on Ubuntu on Windows. You'll have to copy the private key to your WSL home directory, and do it there. Some discussion here, this URL.
I created an alias that gets loaded in my ~/.bashrik file and allows to unmount/remount the C / drive in the /mnt/c/ folder with metadata permissions. This allows me to only enable chmod when I need it, preventing unwanted changes to the mounted file system. It's just a matter of invoking.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.